Hey guys, and today we are playing 99 Nights in the Forest. Again. We're gonna be trying to get it like past what we've got. I'm pretty sure that most days we've survived is like 13 or something. Was that it?
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm gonna be playing with Hannah. And I just built a map. I'm gonna be trying to get a bunny foot for the pelt guy. This guy's almost
Pelt trader.
That's what I said.
His name's not Pelt Guy. It's
Too bad, so
Pelt
sad.
Trader.
I have a bunny foot on my second bunny. Gotta pick up
I
this
haven't
meat.
even killed a bunny.
I have to pick up this meat because Hannah's gonna complain if I don't. Hannah, the fire's almost out, girl.
So, I'm out exploring.
You're supposed to.
That fire can go out. It's only day one.
Yeah, the deer will be hungry, girl. See, the fire is almost out. Even the game said it.
Who cares?
If this fire goes out.
I don't care about that fire. Anyways, I left.
No, you didn't. Oh my god, this tree takes so long to chop down. Alright, I need one more.
I mean, you know you didn't have to pick up stuff. Cool.
Cool. We only need one more log, so.
Abbie, you're not brave enough.
Brave enough for what?
Big fight
Boom.
in Chicago.
What?
There's a big fight in Chicago, and you need to win it. It's $10 million.
Night is approaching.
Who cares?
Me.
Yeah, be nice.
Ooh,
It's
chest.
day one. Nothing's going to happen.
I got a good sack.
Oh.
Meow. Meow. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, meow, meow. I'm gonna try getting a wolf pelt real quick. Hello? Are you serious? No wolf pelt. Okay, I thought it was chasing me. Wait, I want to see the deer. Is it still in the vampire costume?
No.
It's not? Aw, dang it. Come here, boy.
The Halloween
Come here! Oh.
What weapons do you have?
I have a good sack and an old axe.
I have an old I have a moldy, dusty, crusty, sticky boy axe and sack.
We need to make sure we gather a bunch of saplings.
Hey, I don't care about that.
I'm gonna be like a stay-at-home mom. You be the explorer.
Okay,
I'm gonna go get this chest real quick.
but I'm not grabbing any scrap.
You have to.
Unless it's good, unless it, +2s or something like that. I'm going.
Do you have a good sack?
No.
Well, don't get a good sack from the pelt guy
Why?
because I have a good sack for you. Get the good axe. I'm putting the good sack next to the pelt guy.
Oh, thank you, Pelt Trader.
That was... Alright.
Was it something I said?
Chili. One of my tasks are to eat 20 chilies in one game. So this is good. I'm gonna go around collecting chilies.
I'm hungry.
Oh my god.
Refreshing.
I'm thirsty. refreshing. I found fuel.
I am going to die.
Why?
I'm almost starving and I'm almost dead.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Girl. I'm gonna kill this wolf.
Don't you have the bandit class?
No, that's not on my account.
Oh, right, you're playing on mom's phone.
Mm-hmm. I have another good axe. I am finding chests left and right. I have a revolver. I'm tired.
I'm tired.
Yeah.
I thought you were a stay.
Well, if you look at the map, I'm opening chests. And I'm finding stuff in the chests.
You don't want to know what I just got.
What?
I got a beluga.
That's not in the game.
That is.
No,
I
it's
found
really
a
not.
beluga.
If they had a beluga in the game, that would be so cute. But they don't.
They have a beluga.
No, they don't.
I'm a beluga.
I'm gonna make a pile of chilies. I'm making a pile of chilies.
Okay.
So then when you go out, you can have a chili and be faster. Alright, there's a pile of chilies. Oh, one more chili. Just chopping down some trees. Girl, what you doing? What the heck? I just chopped something with my sack. Okay, I need 5 more pieces of wood. Carnival's in town. Because girl's already using...
Where'd this come from?
That's been on the table.
The set?
Yeah.
What is it? Where'd it come from, though?
I don't know.
You know that's what?
Hey, I got a wolf pelt. The maze is open.
That was easy.
It was.
Yeah.
Nice. We should go to the maze tomorrow. I got bandages.
I want to go save the kid.
Okay.
That's 11 chilies.
They're all from when you go explore. I'm gonna go get some more
I'm
too.
going to explore.
Okay, I'm grabbing more.
What?
I'm grabbing more.
Right, there's a lot of that.
Hey, man.
Hi.
How did you already die?
I killed a cultist while I died. Is Selena okay? Or is she in a crazy mode? There's no more cultists. Just pick me up and leave.
Girl?
Oh. Can I pick up the outfit?
I got bandages. No, Hannah, you can take these 2 alpha pelts. Just come to me and then you can see where they are. I got you a revolver. Uh-oh, I just ran into the kid spot. Oops, oops, oops. Hannah, do you have a spear? Bro, where are you? Oh, you're all the way over there. Who's you killing? Where are you? Don't tell me you're up here. Where? Let me get up. I got a wolf pelt for you. So I just ate raw meat. Girl, why are you so quiet? I got a liver body for you. Never taken. Oh, Uh-oh, I'm starving. Dang it. I died. I have a bunch of bandages. Hannah. Can you?
No, go lay down.
Alright, ready to attack. I'm gonna unload my sack first. Another wolf pelt. Morsel in my tummy. Morsel in the fire. More chili. Kill these cultist dudes. Burn them in the fire. Halloween Nandu. Eat a chili that I found. A girl's getting chased by the deer. Girl, how'd you die? And I don't know what you're saying. Talk. Wolf? The deer? I just got a heart attack. Alright, he is here. I'm gonna go over here and get that. Now I can do this. Ooh, the furniture area is here too. I'm gonna go get this pet. I'm gonna go get the furniture guy. He's gonna give me some furniture. I need some 2 bunny feet. So bunnies, if you could give me the feet. Oh dear. You got killed by the deer. Oh, there's the guy. His horse is a little stuck. Man, girl, you bought everything. I'm gonna grab one of these. One of those. 2 of these. And 2 of these. Why can't I kill this dude? Hello? Good literally. Oh, there we go. I'm killing the horse. Oh, it's hard work. Let's see what I'll get. 2 steaks for all that work? Are you serious? What do you want, Hannah? I can dry him. Yeah, can you stop texting in chat? Oh yeah, I got a quest complete. You can see it at the top. Alright, I'm gonna try getting 2 bunny feet for going in winter. Alright, bunny foot. First, let me unload my sack. Cook steak. Now, one more bunny foot. Bunny foot. Ooh, another one. Kid, you want? All right, Hannah, stop texting in chat. Girl, just say it, okay? So, deer. Then dining table. The owl's awake. No. Stop texting in chat. We should get the kid though.